There comes a point in some artists' lives when it becomes ever more gratifying to share their lifetime of knowledge and expertise with others. I discovered the charms and simplicity of watercolor midway through my artistic career. This discovery was an inflection point in my life. The unique and quirky characteristics of the watercolor medium more closely mirrored my spontaneous and carefree nature in a way that other mediums had not. My fascination with light and shadow upon our world meshed perfectly with the luminous characteristics of the watercolor medium. Determined to thoroughly understand and harness the bold potential of watercolor, I immersed myself into a decade-long journey to unlock the visual science, application methods, and artistry necessary to enjoyably produce light-filled, mood-rich watercolor art. My overarching mission is to dispel the many constraining myths that sometimes deter other artists from discovering the sheer joy, freedom, and expressiveness possible with this simplest of mediums. My instructional methods have been honed and refined over many years of classes and workshops to methodically and systematically introduce students to essential ideas ranging from the importance of proper tools and materials to foundational ideas about romantic art in general. Key watercolor painting concepts, including value delineation, composition simplification, color theory, and edge treatments, are all thoroughly addressed in custom-designed multimedia presentations. Each concept presentation is followed by a step-by-step demonstration and class project to reinforce the concept topic in a fun and supportive environment. Drawing upon my extensive communicative skills previously developed as a product designer, I've devised 8 typical workshop instructional tools that include pre-recorded video demonstrations, computer animations, and 3D digital models to more efficiently illustrate essential watercolor concepts and application methods. World-class examples of luminous watercolor art are carefully examined to reveal both the optical approaches and artistic soulfulness necessary to achieve the phenomena of dramatic light and emotion within a watercolor painting. It is of paramount importance to me that my students leave my workshops with a clear understanding of why materials, application techniques, and image design matter with respect to producing competent, emotive watercolor art. I sincerely desire for my students to find the same simple joy and satisfaction that I've discovered making expressive art with watercolor and leave my workshops with newfound excitement, confidence, and the necessary skills to enjoy a satisfying, lifelong skill. I live and work in the southern Delaware coastal region of the United States, producing romantic imagery of the region's varied landscapes and wildlife. To learn more about my workshops, including student and host testimonials, please visit my website at www.leokahlwatercolors.com/workshops. I really look forward to meeting and painting with your organization one day. I hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot.